flight to Washington to Atlanta. We will be taxiing for a few minutes and ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. The fasten seatbelt sign. And not only for your safety, but also for the safety of those passengers around you. When opening no-bag compartments, please use caution as articles may have shifted during flight. Also, please comply with all local airport restrictions and smoking regulations. For those passengers claiming luggage here in Atlanta, have questions about ground transportation or connecting flights, there will be a uniformed customer service agent at the end of the jetway to assist you. On behalf of Gas and the entire current air family, thank you for flying with us. We've enjoyed serving you and some still include AirTran in your future travel plans by visiting us on the web at airtran.com. Have an enjoyable stay here in the Atlanta area, whatever your final destination may be.